Right, I was for Yamamo, Ajonia Makwaba, and Famra Sinupi on Kumawood television. And then a da if ya da, a sassy Edwada, not to the Amparama. If you say never transmit Vivia, na a Yaseda, and a demand your boss so na or sign a ball assassin. I trust it. Emre, Emre, Ibinyamre, Naya Sinupi, and some old workers of my Ghana. And even I'm ready home over the true, any among the same within, and Michael Nana Atumako over Fremi say Mike. Now, as usual, my guests at Nasi, and then me were part 1 and 2 sessions. Now, on part 1, Ascra constituency, and Yabutu, now Asquano, independent candidate Bakwa, Opium Elder Divine was saying in ta, or so on my part. NBC any agro. Mama part is away a king qua. Oha, the India. One of my parts a contest na or was independent LBNs or MPP in the Vineyard. Now you home and come on part 2. Kennedy entry a Kumeru constituency NPP communication officer. Ufia Sanso and a Sir Wallace Ababu administrator Edema NDC Asante region. So while I said about to me Eddie and come over a week. A lot of issues and of course OSC my Ghana. The Electoral Commission at the 38 days of this war and the treaty of my Ghana in okay 16 million almost 50 to 60 million and they say was 16.9 million and conform a register. I want to say and nay yes sorry the ATN said the Electoral Commission, the office, Bakwa, and war and crime. Greater Accra, Office of the Electoral Commission, Ija Atum, Aminoka say, a whole and near ma, dada, a buy up to a home crata dada, and name machines via the Daibu, Nino, I say the repair. The good news is that a near ma Electoral Commission, the year Juma Sabri, and Nina, intact, and said that, and the Martin William now Eddie and come on the happenings from the Electoral Commission of Ghana. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, leader of the NDC, former President of the Republic. Enra, the NPP on Yukuno, I can say me and the Papa Pana say, Lay Omono, John Wodu, the Samuel Kumo Somusha, Papa John Dramani Mahama, were indecisive. Or can you so? Or can say the May say, I dare Chama Sana, and Nigrano. Jane, now look what my professor ever to be honest said, teacher for allowance, no, they never scrap the teacher's allowance. And June, the year before, a candidate for NDC for any leader, John Dramani Mahama. Now, the Vice President, Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bomia, say, Ometre, new policy, or they ever the woman, a friend you must say, on a home, I see, and say, it's excellent John Dramani Mahama can say. I may have done Ghana for top one. $10 billion US, and this car or the rail infrastructure. Now, obey acquaintance, see a dying the Abois, my Ghana, at me up with your and I had before I say, we know a baby quack or what or other Ghana for William. Now, yes, you won't aim Kumia. Now, Kabawan is saying, and one penny J.J. Rollins, so not a son is too. The young one can even come in the book at Fred. Professor coming about what book. Bukuno Musemebri, ama any babies with sharp teeth. Yes, that part you knew almost say, or Benda Roll is a car someone. Now almost our one jump a canter. Said the Bear, Elemano, I am very quiet and dormant. I would end this when you could. The controversies are about the Bukuno. Say Professor Jenna no Bukwajima, Bukuno, with me every year or 4 day, or every 4 day, you know. As I said, a woman, Benda Roll is moving here. The emphasis will be a more my men. In hours and 7 or high Binyamre, now yet to me a D and Commonra, and 75 greenhouse projects are made for a day back. One penny, His Excellency, number of Fado, it's me a copa, and as we put out my mind, the greenhouse vegetables over 100 hectares of land, and in 75 different greenhouse areas are a bit to me a vegetables and a bois. They are sport to be quite a common name, and their mind about to true, and they do my abo so. And no, and my father said, really concerned, say, this project is yes, youth enterprise project, youth enterprise support project na NDC na share say in 2016 then in 2020 women say yeah 20 million so a say din no na the center no kwa no na Akufo Addo din na etoso I want to say me be what dey na ye ne the CEO the man name lawyer John Kuma edi nkomo ye ko dwumadi so ano na afọ otimi ama yetimu bi anso a enwo ya transi emro we binyamre na yetumi edi enko ba hyene so se we ehemani die na me bom ho ban e de afi the novel coronavirus COVID-19 yare no enkoye e da so ho e sha se nipa bienu ekọ ni mu akodu ni po ha no na ye call lockdown nti sese no number na kwa nanim se yare no enkoye if you are not ready for your home na entumi emwa globally we are seeing 21,161,784 and NJD we are seeing one hour free moon 759,220 and a free moon so one free moon my Ghana 3 regions in the pay to and no 3 regions currently easy registration here no 3 regions no nipo ma free mu kwa no yare no ewo and then no mo ato 13,981,618 over Ghana 41,847 yare recorded 122 new increase account deaths 223 and recoveries 39,718 so far omo yare ni bidaso wo mo jemu a doctor for ehun 1,906 and one more be at a school moja and doctor for 1,906. It means that one enemy, a quiet test be a Tinay be quite now is the for the Kamwa, be any to go by now into me and one or minor, Yareno into me into us and some of those be numbered now it's me Eddie and Como once again and Mwakaba and Famra Sinupi on Kumawood TV. We are live on Facebook. Kumawood TV, uko YouTuber Sam Darkus TV, ubenya ye ho. Sa na all other social handles ni na no kwa benya ye. Na ibi ada kuta phone no, eno ane se obekọ Google Play Store. Na wa download Kumawood TV app. Kumawood TV app. O download a, obetimi enya ye live. Ewo eho. Sa na Kumawood Radio Online no. Eno so obetimi enya ye na afi no. Ye ka bia na ye bia so no. What me actually and I say that cause health service was your original hand sanitizers and nose masks no bra mentia now more be to me and one of a bar who is Herbal Center Dr. Muhammad Isa Abebu yare bia ho bia no se bra titru ene yare oba obetete etumi dia ma odium amoma so do me abra ho na doctor enso ewo God's way casket when ye ana so this be free mu na obe from daka ambulance video coverage and I say open skade ye no obra interest be any ho obe kumase a amona fantini uta liberal about and omo ewo do not Herbal Clinic and so it was Santasi Bofridu or say yare bia ha bia no diabetes hypertension stroke and yare bia e bodi say yare de nyame e de ehunu dia doctor for oba o di fidie ba yo ni pere no hwemu na obi a amahodru amanema atumi akoyi e de ama Nene, we are Bema. It doesn't matter your age. Bema, dear, Bema, and what you know, 60 years, still one no giant also. You know, and they say, Yakofa, replenish advanced immune booster at the Aba. Punya moves the be no more. COVID-19 can watch me. Farm, but the piano, immune system not air strong. And when your immune system is strong, it fights against a lot of diseases. I said, oh, come on, at the call. Who be talk, make me a walk. Maybe I told you also me pay replenish advanced immune booster at all. One also from power, Unyabia, make me a walk yere and look almost on our rear at me a day. Almost and I almost a semi day abroad in the meeting once again at the Michael Nana Adamako, over friend, say Mike. Me try to hook you about my back. Elder Divine or say Nita at Nasi. I saw this horse and then my partner called head media fans but then they free or buy from one station to another, from one station next week or why? Because why a shit for me Aviana among for and I say Akuya. If you're home right about any other come Right, it's on Makwaba and Famra Sinopi on Kumawood Television. As I see Makacho de Bia, the transit na oko Facebook Kumawood TV. Or like it, no, I say now from so at me and be actually drop a comment no. If you am read me, I can kind of the amount and then we also enable say WhatsApp line or at so. Yeah, friend so pharmacy fast Fabra 0543 070 or the first boy William Red. Now, you can kind at the amount. Still, the award winners, no, near count. 2 radio stations, sorry, 2 TV stations, and a boy about my Ghana. Say COVID-19 by we have on whom they yet the no at the Muslim. In Ashanti region, we have about 14 TV stations in Ashanti region. Kumawood TV. And I have a in my Pocon Cranswa, Angel TV in a Inaya. And the Adamasi, some who should pay a council Muti. No, you see the be now fee yet to me Eddie Como. Now, if you are William, we are said Uncle Wallace, why whom we now Edam so how we are. I want many and a day am I we a World Diplomatic COVID-19 Eminence Honest 2020. Say, Kumawood TV. Yemri from 4:30 to 6:30. Yari shas here, some dark shas here, tenas here. Boy, you are Abisi Sabrino, and Channel Sapa, FMI. Well, Nina, a guana. Well, Mamma may guests acquire Elder Divine or say Nita, a independent candidate. Asqa constituency in Ashanti. However, if you have a career, this one we have was Boko. I want to so Zumbia. Oh, you want to drink of, in fact, lockdown and any mobile. I wish you're saying, I may say, a fisher and so. Now, one size I can be, will be behind me. I'm a son. You know more. No location is quite so. Sir, some yellow boy, but say, oh, I'm your doom. Is your pressure now to be so? Pressure, abba. A bit demeanor. Oh, square. I make me come here 1 minute. Oh, maybe Modi, but only moon. So what's mean that? Is he an adjunct in a woman now? We drew a miss man that my duck come on. But don't want to mean that. It won't mean now, square. And yes, and is one. Oh, that began easy. And is the only problem there? Only problem there. As I could sit in Timmy easy the other. Don't your moon come. Inti. I'm more camel. On camel. Oh, over China, more the ash. We have said be a party in my power of my appointment. Maybe you could be a PC. No, I sent it. Maybe you come and say, so Mike, me be try ya. Meant me, I need to know my party by power. My appointment. We are on your DC, MC. Okay. Oh, Jana as an independent candidate to us. We have been a dear answer some people Muntia. I'm as an independent candidate. I was one. Because Messan that was CBM. Now, my first acquaint so each year as a command especially here, Kura and Casa, Tiano, here and now 2-4. I'm a chair, Pentecost, a software, Amanian Pong, here, software, New D4, Tiano, near software, name sorry, Hodua, a chat as a comment in Munia, the first acquaint so each year, a Doma Hodua, a Dimechi was a Saya, here, Pesa Basqua. Magia tomorrow would be a chino, a chair within a Mapa, a Sarah, the song goes on to Musumai, Yabaconkai. Open against a medal, brave. Sunny in Nimono or Shishamono. A bread drew, say, Yako pray, a year to me. Yabomodia Maquine, say, wow, Pibia, and our walk when we have a picky phone. Not a fail in a fabra. Now, as a comfort, dear, and the Penfonia in the year. You go down sorry, I say, Mammy Pat, uncle on the post. Oh, I think, oh, my baby, oh, my head, you may dream, who said, what bread? And so come home and be better to us. Say the Umbra on the post, dear. Yanni, I had 2 but they need delegate. Yes, your doors are 10. You bet tears for now, actually,
MPP before said the penny and one among you could so I
and we near said Mattia. Tanamaka,
Yantia,
and answer Martin the scope I tell you.
Yantia to scope on Yantia, so
Some parts in 4 years, and yet they are 4 years as soon as I hope. Can you they are another 4 years, but I am on train.
Oh, the Mama said, if you 90 or quite won't go be. Then few watching you won't he, none nine or quite won't go be a mono, and enough feeling you. Casama tree,
When I hear some of us then you shouldn't blame the member of parliament. You should blame the government in power. Government member of parliament, no. On your
Medas, and your quite one once in the making. And your man who do agree. Minoka say, you know, when you say, Mama Bebaha, say, okay, about better than your man, why? Now, my two challenge be free 3 days in it. We go so to challenge the man. Say, what's not radio, so TV, so I can't know my way. On my crown, only if we need to. Now, you're near, so I had a corner, my young friend. Yen challenge say no correct mama asema wo kan ya mpa oye ade wo waye challenge am to mama na no enimre so me sa to mama biem ba bi obegina bia be kasa no o makwa no wo miefo yin ntum na yen frɛ asokwafo mfrɛ na yen ka say no correct o asema o make o me ma odi bi ma de wo waye na yen frɛ we challenge am to mama na no yeah because ade na ni ho enso yesi wo ho to be to sa challenge man pa
oh and do me betana ha na de 1 year no aka so waye
oh minia me say ya omo na mu twa ngofo project pictures ni videos and ye campaign say we mama na aye we mama na me pese me go school be ready omo do ye omo pam because for the past 8 years ni on see school order na obi be dum won be bo omo ye bibi ma omo a oba be capture na dey be chere ngofo say enuma ma ye there minia 1844 politics in the chum. And then Yamia Dum, as a Mekoswa Kabia Mekubia. Yamia Dum, TV stations are dorsum, FM stations are dorsum, and then smartphones are dorsum. Oh, a clacro share from Ukraine in Yakos will be as in her. And it's over 2 foot will be near Yana or Yepa. If we say, Utina ye pay you to a Monimagwas. Because the Yakos would be any dating.
Okay. Ebia wono woni onkrofo bi wa asukwa na mo se enema enkoyi nta be so ko as an independent candidate na we gina so a we dey call independent candidate no and then what is your message in sembe sa na odena
me da se bebre me start kan se bi na nipa anyintum na ye tro di wie ye no na afi nipa bi wo ha no onya call elder asema na wo kan no kore asokwa 2016 enipa eto aba no ene nne ameno ka se nipa register yeso atepa yeso te ate no se nipa na o man register no mo bia nyina ba bi nga so mawu dabi enye no koreda
ibe what to kwan
enye no koreda kakra bi na afrim kakra bi na atukwan ne mo me so bi am ye no ene report ba ya de ka kire me no ene repeat enipa aye o madwen sa fi o mo nto aba no mo do so pa awasukwa omo do so pa so omo nto aba ni nyina ne se de omo hwehwe no amem bosha ka se hye nyina ni nyina amem enti nipa omo ye omo adwen so omo nto aba no mo do so pa na bra me tisi mu na Kenya nipa ni bi se elder o ba dia ye be ko ni akotwe bi na counts December 7th no ya to aba mo mampani Akufo-Addo na ya to aba nso e de amawo na watimi aboa masokwa nso atimi akonkan ti ye sha asese ye san de ni so ade hunu kura san to fom kura de eno na tse ase bibia amani pani aji na mtie mamu radio station bi na mesre sa se o bi ansa na o se kenken kwa no na ye mesre so obi o per masubeja ni wo se on the oba street light no ba we ye the core parliament beti be stress ba we su ni nsem a ye ka ye manfo na agi atum mini a mam musu asem bi odoro ma on se afibia anabosu bia so na akutua o light bi a ye wo Columbia also street light good na ya tew se light ni ye so yo se ya nso se bi wo ho se bi ni ho ni atew ye hwan asede ye se obobo street light enya aban company na o gi sika free ye ho no osu bia wo charge ye na sede se oye se adwuma no because we lack of leadership nti yenya leader or persevere saa di we ama ohiani wo a oti baabi a sum aduru na sabi awowo ene yin nkyere ha no saa ohiani we bosom so a na agye niska kwa we make a chance ko man say oto aba mamia me ba mebɔ modern say ECG bedi ondumadi ese ondi so mo ntimi provide light and from my end there street light my end there there's no need so mo nevi here Jesus can because escan no mo je ekon.
Oh, okay.
Good.
That lady ninja.
Oh, make I say yeah. Sika na mo je no.
Sasa je. But to you no, so mo fanya de padi ngo munya.
Yeah.
Na nga man fona pe ko mi so to ma de.
Sabe pepe.
Ase we den ka ya assembly no.
And I make I say.
Assembly no so omo ne do suwe no.
Me da say what you say me atu. Say a good leader over call for good issues.
Okay.
Near discussing with NIPA and now with assembly as I said on no yes I meeting now over call way no friend on say for this is the problem I mean.
And that's quite small.
Oh, minia asukwa yesum bebre asukwa yesum baba eya oka asukwa ya na bia dwon wa em say makin ho na ya asukwa but ekwa akiri asukwa kwa akiri pa asukwa fo bre eti bi nua ye wani so ne hu se ye beboa ama asukwa man etimi afa no ntuma pa afira ka wo yi manhia afiri ho na yi bantima afiri ho a ka brono ana kura ye so obodi ya asukwa na so na asukwa ye kura se mo kura se pa anyoma nkoyi yakwa nyina nye anyoma nyina ya basa honorable Kofi Dwuma bibia me kan ya no gofo so honorable Tamachi enti na de bia me bori da bi de me hu ye na me kan de me hu me nka me nyame nipa de me hu ye na me kan de me hu me nka honorable Kofi Dwuma almost 85% of asukwa roads Kofi Dwuma ye ni nyina scraps ne bridges nyina o ye ni nyina ade ana aka see a big hotel begusu aye. For the past 8 years ni and now okosha sika on mine no ese no ade years ade nyina aye kwa and the gutters ni nyina asay bridges ni nyina gugu agum feel no ye nyina asay he say afei ene e ba be ye kwan ana na me ka se mi na tie for entimase ye ba aka kakra bi ni ye kwa koto aba afei a ya sha se ye kase asokwa ya kwan enye no afei na ya tie si kwan so se ye be ya asokwa kwan pacho omo ye hwa de bi ekwan a ye di mirika eye no esentem enti ekwan omo ye nyina omo ye ma ye ho be 1.5 to 2 years sa kwan ni nyina ebe sei adentia emirika pa na ye kwan mirika gidi we say e ba beto aba enti na make say those days are over ene nyame adom nipa adwuma bie ade asesa wo ye ntam ansan ya ba beto aba ade asesa wo ye ntam ansan ya ba beto aba ade tina MPC ni bi wo kra ye so mo form kra na obi na kopeke ma wo MPC ni bo no kromu ni nyina so regina so da bi ye pese wo to adwuma so ade ntia o ye adwuma papa o ye good leader eti bere we mu no ye ma asokofo ati se o me yensesam na yentra independent de hwe se esesam bi betimi aba asokwa no kwasam sesam so betimi aba na akunya no nso oto aba no mame a enyirai ba bi akunya no sine hwa na si efiri se ye nyina no oso ne ma na bi ene yeye ba ye nim se nche bia no omampani begina stage so ana waka so ba bi osoro gina no na ne begina ho osoro no ne begina ho a no kure ne begina ho but na nanam so ho
okay
na nanam so di ade yeye nti se ne ba no ntimi emmomode a na na betimi abehye ho ne na nanam betimi abehye ho ma na yeye eti ye wani so de ho pese ye boa ma asokoman etimi koso afa wo hwe problem pa ya wa asokwa a ye toilet facilities arho enemre pa so ra ho ma chi be no num kohwe nipa asalai ekoja online da bi samre no atwam ye ba mo den ase be boa asokoman mantem ni brono bia so e mo den ase be boa na etimi asisi toilet asisi ho na sabi obi pese o ye ne ho yi a watimi akwakoye ne ho yi na ama enipa nso oto asokwafo nso ehu atimi ato afeni atoso biem so ne se yehunu se asokwa yakwan nyina enye ya ne yeka se empinye kwan no kure empinye kwan ba o good leader o problem a ne kromfo wa na ne manfo wa obom mode so betu wa na mo na waboa solve problem no de ama wo wohwe asokwa ya hye so a ko nhia so ko hwe nhia so ayefe yi pa bibi wo na mani age oh nhia so ayefe nhia so ayefe papa
mo nhia so complain o
nhia so ayefe opa ni ga se nhia so ayefe ko forukrom ayefe pa
na zo mo de nya kura
enya kura hwe sisi akwa bebre a mo ye ne ye ba bi a hotel gusu dada enne ya na san ya me ya look road no bebre ho ma hotel kura gusu dada enfutro na eku nipa na asma eye nkofo adenti na ese yetena omam ne yesa MPS a odwene wo manfo na o pre ne papa ede ma wo manfo asokwa kwa nyina no kwa bia so samo boyen a ye bon woni ase betu saa anamon no ne aboa ama asokwa mpuntuo so atimi akonkan afi ye hunu se na make TV stations ne FM stations no any other media platforms no ye hu se ba bi wiase pia no ho kɔ no wiase akodru pempenso bi a information era minim abrantie bi a oti US okotena US by 5 years isi amenu ka so okotena Ghana ha for the past 3 years ni enso busumi bi aso ayetua ne ka wobekɔ fie no na okura laptop na wa connect to internet oye adwuma oti Ghana so oye adwuma wo US ayetua ne ka ba bi wiase ekeka ho ekɔ no nyame adom honorable Kofi Dwuma etimi si ICT center ewo schools ni nyina ene bebre adane nsore dan bebre nso na no kura me ko ba bi wo Chiapatre me hwɛ dan esi ho ya am say na dan kama say computer bi ani afre ba ko gyina mto say honorable and now we dey ye wo ha ho na e ko transfer refreshment nso dan yesi ho se nkwala mfa nsua de enum dwumadi afa ye di me wo botaye se meboa nyame adom menya anuanom bi ewo UK onbeso mo bo mo sa kwa ne so ya kan school so wa so kwa manziri mu nyina nyame ya adom no mo to abama me a afi bi eduru a ye be provide 100 pieces of computers diama each school na nkwala no e de asua de fi se ba bi ewi asene keka ko no esi etimi boa ye man na ye bi o madwemu no mo nya nimde e fa IT ho o matimi akonkan eno sa da nchen so a nyame adom eni ba 3 months kra ena minya call bi a onpeso mo boa me na itimi CIC center kese ba ko e wa asokwa ne ne boa asokwa man na ma asokwa man so yetimi ye mofra ai omo ba school fo ne ade omo timi sua de e wa IT no enya monim de na omo timi de boa asokwa man eno da nchan a ye hunu se asokwa man so ye o disables power ye ntempa disables ne to na jeje mu bebre be 3 weeks ni mitimi no mu miti ye na in fact me re ho pa me wani so ade hunu se asokwa boa me eto abai ma me na bebe mra hye bedwani a bebo mani na ya ma office awo municipal ho ya ma office ho no ma disabled for nyina betimi a chando afa omo so omo hawo ni amane bi omo namu no na abedru ye nche na eburu ye nso na ese yetimi de ko kase mu a yetimi so de aduro ama omo nso etimi anya hoto sabi bibi na ato won bibi nti ana ama omo di dem eno nkyere se omo nkan ho omo dwene ye ho ye pa wo hwehwe banks a yesisi ni nsori dan ni ade yesisi ni offices ahodo a ye yesa nyama nyina ye nwi disabled no me wani so de hun se me benya tumi ya meboa ama sangofo ni nyina so ho aton dem se disabled bi e ko bank bi a omre na akofo staircase tintin bi a ne mo betime nya access wo bibia mu na ama ondwumadie nso atimi akoso afi ni etoso bi mu nso ye hunu se asokwa mrantie ebre wa adwuma ye ho pa fa adwuma ye ho asokwa mrantie ebre na na do danko akufo ado ani Dr. Baumia nyame adom enye bia mo de dwumadie bi e fe no one district one factory oh me ko shoe factory any management ni share ye meeting kakra na omo de me ko apro ko ne na mo hwe mfidie wo ho menia kenye sad na menim da se Ghana ha ye wa fidie timi ye roba mpabo bia bi wa ha e na ye mai ebre wotogo kwa so arobes erobo mo ejo sika bi tu omo na car accident emebi wu ni ade mi ho so nyame adom ye ya ye wo mfidie ni bi wa ha eni update na omampani eni so ade huni memwa na yemfa sa adwetre bi enkowura shoe factory ni mu na emma shoe factory no so ntimi nyede enkonkan na me no mo di nkomo no se omutimi fix so machines ni nyina menia manage ye pa om se ombetimi aboy am ya famrante ne maba wankoa 2000 hey ebetimi famrante ne maba wankoa 2000 ene mrante ebre wasokwa ebesi nne amanfoɔ da so didi wɔn maame kyɛnsee ebesi nnɛ amanfoɔ da so agyi akɔhoma firi wɔn maame hɔ eti mesrɛ asokwa mmeranteɛ ne mmabaawa sɛ wɔn nyinaa nsɔre nyinaa m'akyi na wɔn ntaa m'akyi ahoɔden so na wɔn mmoa me na metumi mfa akonnwa na mefa akonnwa yi a mɛboa ama wɔn anya adwuma yɛ firi sɛ shoe factory nkoa bɛtumi afa nipa 2000 di a asokwa mmeranteɛ yɛmfa 1500 ne yɛmfa 500 na aka no ɛma others na de ntia ebi firi asokwa ɛkɔ nhyiaeɛ so kɔyɛ adwuma bi kɔ bantama ɔfɔyi kurom atwi so kɔyɛ adwuma ne yɛma asaafoɔ no nso nyɛ dɛ ɛmmra asokwa mɛyɛ adwuma ɛba saa maame no ɔtɔn nneɛma wɔ kwan ho no ɔyɛ wakyɛ bi wɔ kwan ho no nipa bɛkɔ hɔ akɔtɔ aduane bi anim ɔno nso ɛnyɛ sika de akɔhwɛ n'abusua ɛno saa da nkyɛn a ɔpɛni kɛseɛ yɛhunu sɛ wokɔ atonso market a shoe factory shoe makers ɛwɔ hɔ no ɔmo dɔɔso papa na ɔmo ho nso kyerɛ wɔn mɛhunu sɛ apart from saa shoe makers na ɛwɔ hɔ no nso no yɛhunu sɛ hairdressers ɛne enyuma bebree wɔ hɔ no ma nkwalaa no bi akosua a ɔmo apɔn ɔmo ho but ɛsan sɛ ɔmo nni capital na ɔmo nni sika nti ɔmo nni sika ɔmo kɔ han store anaasɛ baabi na ɔmo akɔyɛ adwuma na wɔn nisɔɔde hu sɛ saa asokwafoɔ boa me ama me nya saa akɔnyɛ yi a mesu mɛboa wɔn paa mesi vocational center kɛseɛ paa na shoemakers yɛ nya baabi atena hairdresser foɔ nya baabi atena ɔmo mo pɔm adeɛ nso nya baabi atena obi a wɔpɔn ho wɔ adwuma mu biara no wobɛnya baabi atena sɛbi wɔn nso bɛtumi ayɛ adwuma ma wɔn nsa nso ayɛ akɔwa no yɛwɔ saa nisɔɔde hu nyinaa sɛ yɛde bɛboa asokwaman ma asokwaman nso atumi afa ne ntoma pa de yɛfira
right abusua obuso Sinupi on Kumawood TV mene Elder Divine Oseminta independent candidate at the Asukwa constituency and no AD Congo yemfasida replenish ultra advanced immune booster me say enedie akonya na ba e de amame ene wo se wo bonto a wo ye campaign e de ko ba nyina no amade ne ba kofo enunti obenya immune booster se de be ya obetumi nya amade do no ano na otimi de abonto a won so ye wo bia no ohia immune booster na timi abo e de wo didie enso unya aduro a nuane mani na omu vitamins minerals bibia omu bia na itimi abo ama oni pede no betimi ejene na so enunti na ye de replenish ultra advanced immune booster no aba ema no nya bia eboa ema na increase libido no makono no atenka no ekosoro onukun hia mu a watimi atede wonte da yare no so kra na enye kra na eza okun kwa hu no so yokun ndi wani ya na pipito sa so na mema no monso monum bia hyem kama ema nkomwa no nsuo no mutumi yeten ema ade bofra betumi eba na unwi no skin na de wono no na ema na ye kama fa enya agro ebi eto adro man Ghana bia no okwa wo se me replenish ultra advanced immune booster ebi bia ma go no so ofom pa we COVID-19 bere mu dia ba be boa ama ho de no etumi tane na so ebi to na etumi emo na mo bia na abedo pa etu a obefre 0244 294066 0244294066 na etumi agye so Donat Herbal Clinic clinic ba ko a ura wa mfidi e wo ho ye de ye scan de ye de ye umoja mu hwemu enya agro abusua ura wa fidie bia wo bia no so no dwuma eye edu gina fidie so na yi wu ni badwa nyina ba yare bia se bia no na ye pie na dota fo so aboa atumi ahwe kama na ade ba ko a efe e wo ho a e ma de ye nika pa ene se ukọ ha se oye wo ba na waware duvebre awone ma wabo ama won so wadme ya duvebre amo pa na so ba ya no nukunu na wontimi hwem nyina no matu sanso e wa adwuma bre bia wonya se massage na what business no so bi ko na massage machine no ene ma wo massage kama mara tele fi wo ba no mani ata ko bi se every time bi ko ba Monday na nanimu seriously enko na free say Donat Herbal Clinic omo amassage no ama no sin mo so ko na wo yare bia no omo ntumi emo Kumasi Santase bo food kwan so a na omo ewo wo be free 0244 874341 0244 874341 na afi one doctor mo etumi edi nkomo egu so edi nkomo fa yencha ne bra press screen ani a 0543596070 WhatsApp is February nyamre nkan emfama de mo dia ba no na nkan etumi edi ama well but ada na obi beka say say some okay ni na ma part come na ko sha o messages no too sweet to believe onye
but I see bebre say before can send me say answer any friend ni beto bo na na si be so say na o hwe me kase mo me ka no enye dwumadi ni nyina na me kopre afri aban mu say aban no emeboa yen na mo nyame adom enya nkofo bi a o beso mo boa e ma so kwaman etimi konkan zangofo ni nyina moa no na e be gidi abom na aban no so de kakra obetimi di aboa yen no etimi di etu ana mo ebi di say o hwe nursing training here donors and a person of wine. And I will share IT center is what the same thing. And if the person of wine, and I say, oh, share a piece. Did anybody feel you? I feel the amount of Moscow. Oh, I'm feeling me there. Even when you say, na me pre special nursing training. Na me prepare something bit me a chassis. And Sana got to obey. Na me prepare
private nursing training.
Me pa try.
Oh, asukwa.
O here bi obefra me say, elder, me wan asase bia na me dis edumadi no so. E hwe ne hoye very good for edumadi no nko ade a e be si o.
Na o say every year bia no schools e wa asukwa. O ma school bia no 100 computers. How many schools na wa asukwa constituency?
Mo do super both private schools ne government schools no more those
I did Ghana about according to me. Oh, each year Ghana about 100 computers. Ghana about me.
2008. 2008. Yeah, MPB Echo UK.
Okay.
Okodru UK no catch UK for say. Aaron Roberts ha Ghana for pa. Nempo kromfo akofie ho no. Fon kaka. Nipa no betimi anya edi ayoko afa police na edi o kan sa asemi phone sa papa ne nyaaye no obeton ni nyina obeton ni nyina enti nkofo ye willing say ombeboa me be ya na me ne nkofo dika edi nkomo o kan na me ka che on say ye mpa ne fo no tukwa pa na nyame bo mo pa mo nya enyoma nanso selfishness ndi oman no ekoso asi apeni ebinom medase Oman ko so asi apini adentia nipa e willing so mbeboa ti se wa musa nipa e willing so mbeboa na mu ubusa nko ari a onsa beka but ade ehia ne se ade a wagye se wo de ko ha no yenyi bi mfiri so fakọ ene na nyame hira ewo.
Good evening, sir Mike. I'm watching you from Jachi. I'm a native of Asukwa. I vote at Asukwa. We will not vote for Mount because she has failed us. Any other person we are willing to vote for. Nanaya, so Eddie or the Abba, I don't know. We say, hi, Sir Mike. I'm watching you from Apatrapa. Kindly tell Elder that we are in full. Kindly tell Elder he has our full support. We will vote for him. Okay. We say, hi, Sir Mike. I have been staying at Atonsu S-Line for 6 good years. Please kindly ask Mama Pat when she comes to your studio to mention any one project she has done at my area. We need a change, and any change aside Mama Pat is our choice. Okay, okay. Hi, Sir Mike. I'm watching you live on YouTube. I'm a trader at Atonsu Market. Tell Elder to come to our end. We have people who will campaign for him at our end. Okay, and then okay, is it not because of money? Why should he decide to contest for an MPship? Why didn't he pick forms when nominations were open at the party office? this hypocrisy must stop. They have sponsorship from somewhere and they are just making noise. Kusti, and so they are free about Abba, I don't know. We say, is NPP boiling? It seems in Ashanti region, almost all the places people are going independent. What is happening? Nanago has failed, and that is why. Okay. And also at the I don't know. Joel, and so there were the Abba at the free Kintampo. Joel, I say greetings to Elder. I am in Kintampo now, but I will come back in October to support any independent candidate to work against Mama Pat. She has failed all of us. Wow. What is happening? Well, we as a hi, Sir Mike. My name is Kusi Amwatin. I'm Wafu. Kusi Amwatin Amwafu. I've been staying at Aton Street. I just worked at the station. I say at Aton Street station. The fact of the matter is that Mama Pat has not done anything. Okay. And also I don't know. I think last one from here. Hi, Sir Mike. Kindly invite Mama Pat to your show and let her tell us what she has done for the people of Aswa. But I am in support of Honorable Eric. Okay. And also there will be Abba and main focus because you're not but it was when they said as a business system and we elder cop. Your Mama Party. As if we also call Mama, yes, I put yes, number the far from you. Some Mama Cassay. Oh, my book, I'm being. Now, yeah, Mama, now, much later. A strategy. Mobile, what they critique, in your state. In your sanity.
And this and that. Because come one year, Yamiadum, or do me, Juma, me. I'm in Jessica free. Because come one year, can be the problem. Yamiadum, Cabia, Radia Madum, between two between. Kabi ambassador to be iti keskan ko ade any problem na mu nipa ho dadwen dam so say me bo nipa ma nipa nya asubie eno ne ade ehia me enye sika nti ena obia nso nta machi me share adwumadi ase since February me am botom sika me am life save posters 3000 mafa obanas we mafa eza nipa hia asesan wa sopa because asokwa for bread
but we did say nipa hia asesan wa square ensesa no eye wo edamida
me da say on say wo bible mu no edwumre bi na nyame epese osoma abofo no mba asase so na mba ji nipa nkwa esoro ho yedi nipa ba ko pede ti bi ga na nsa ono ne yewra Yesu Kristo ayedi na chi oba ya nso indeed obeye ide eja ne pe nti obra asokofo nyina esu no many nipa be sorry nti independent apia asokwa nyina me sorry ja obia ebi independent apia wo the whole Ashanti region me sorry ja obia me see mu February me sorry ja obia nti me na ma sorry gina say ewade mfa me so na onam me so emfa nyi asokwa hwe okuba bia na areho especially oti ensu omo no nkura areho Ashanti region bona nyina ho na eko Ashanti region ejana nyina ho na eko ensu omo no nkura areho me no ka say me nana bodwa ma me ko ho eko chia nana de se odo tu mani man say elder ye bi ade ba ko pe ni hia oti a ye nsu onye ye tu nsu okura oyo ha ewom ne sente ewom ye ntime no ena me se nana wala roma matie sinu meboa mo ampanyampa water west for by estimate ni ade nyina de aba enra ya na me nsa ye de eka eno so ye tu wana mo ye se nyame so obekoso aboa ye na o ma ye ho ahode nipa ebre eho oti omo ni toilet wo
wow
toilet ni wo
bola le me omo ndi no
oti emu onini Kumasi krom ha o ene onini Kumasi onini na agu oti obi da sori anopa no opia the gate the door opia ne mpia pe na the machine wo say onini dare dan ano
na ye ho
serious person na make actually this time emo says kowura oti asase so hwe ade mmoa ntontom ne
oh dia no ye bia ba
menia nyame adom abafo nimdie wo ye penimdifo ni amonkwanya asamummoa ni enhwe kwan e befa so ni atoto saa de ma omanfo mo ho ato
Sylvester I say please ask him what is his credibility, what has he been able to do in Aswa constituency that must credit him to be an MP.
But as my minion Minya may MP kura no nyame adom Kwame Nkrumah Suapon ene Kumasi Pole betimi aboa mrantie ne mabawa 172
omayele
omo beko school ho
omo wo mu de na
afi no omo beko
ada say we dey nya chief
dabi
nya chief
maboa wo
afi no omo beko no de
dabi me se maboa wo na omo betu na mo akọ school
me ha de ho
me dabi aso obu sam na no ano na me den so say o pempem me o pempem say me ni aji ya because me we ase am we campaign ya me obi she da ba me just o elder o ka no kore do ye mfa ntro bi nwuram na ma de nya dam se dabi tro ne kura me no ma me ntwantro
we go say because MPP ba be show so already we e wa me people say for the catch am say me ha de do me amba so me
oma obi o ka no kore
o say obi busa wo the way why hear that kire say we work credibility and power with me aye na o say afi na adi papa
172
ko
omoko school
omo
admission
nti dia na ye boy
bebre ma bo won pa
we ye dan una ato form so ma ho
ba form nyam na me to ma ho
do ye da
me no nyina ti krom ha o ko pa duma ana o ko school a emu nsem bebre ma kate sa nyam nyina ofafre ho ne nyina ne se medwumadi ya medie ne mperefo hu ani so ade hu ekura me no kwa mo so fa so de aboa me mama di medwumadi ya protocol nipa 172
omo ko mi mo fa se na ope ke university akona wanya no o du protocol akosi ni kwan
dabi mi nsi lu kwan so obre okọ no obre onye obi so no nsa ko ntem saa na society reti saa na tie me no nyina di adanse saa na tie Impo Bank mako amodi queues no obi basis owura hwa ne a friend say bra
na be encourage sa
dabi
say o mine no e was nyina ne tuti equally and fairly
sa ba penalty ba bia okuro no achichira ko duro no
good evening Sir Mike. Ask him for us, was he not making an arrangement for him to be paid by Mama Pa so that he will step down for Mama Pa to go? Ask him. We no evidence.
Mama cry. Me first day, Mama who sent me Nino. Me didn't know to about baby father. Me didn't care see one and go for and say, elder na, equi. Mama be German, you know what you call. Near no chair and a Jesus, and one minimum and share. David, or by no way, no call. One no crown, and Chiano chair, nipper, or winning out of account. What's your courage? To catch us on can come to you. 2 million pages.
Last one here from Baba Gamu. Good evening, Sir Mike. Please, is he really an NPP man? If yes, then will he accept that his party has failed? Because it seems, upon all what he's saying, Aswa constituency has no development.
Medas, my minion asked me, I'm going to be a Meka, who was empire. Nana Akufuado, and Dr. Baumia, and his one will crown a suye pa. Na almost young phobia leadership beer, Omukura leadership skills are. Bet me up 1 money trim upon our belt. Manu here and make up with you.
Okay. He said, some of only 1 year. Some constituency, no cost of faster than Scopus.
Some pepper and maker.
What will go there?
They be a minimum.
One I'm pound as well. I say a deputy. I might say a front of you. One I'm pound as well.
In Kuyukra, Arrow,
to buy the
Mabua near her CC's up and
in
Melopy, now yet in Yaye, SACC or Mokanos in Namo. I have been one of Melopy. na ma hwɛ yɛ san sisi ni na de ma ho
Never said that Emma Daddy calls health service. Yara COVID-19 that's all. Into we need a drone and yet the old no only per year. Name the other one by said the bear Yareno to be into me and come. Original hand sanitizer. We know a Daddy calls alcohol percent no 70. Na so the goons have now or they found someone. More James be always and we always a piano. Na a pum. Flavor no so no enya agro better 30 minutes kwa na we say no era so ehwa we no nye more de koko de bia we original hand sanitizer FD ajatum sanso na nose mask no unya bi bo hene a utumi say yes we ye bi eja ho edwom wa sorry otonma bia sound e clear everything but then ye papa we no afan fidie mu na FD so ajatum pipis abobo bi a wo bia no what that cause health service with me any na water sanso na yare dia zo a bia no we dey for the course ono no enye heba na obenya mre na di fidie na afadi badwe no ni badwe no hwemu na afi no ayare se wo so de ma no to me e dey mo titu ni mu a mo si yare no ya se me pechi e mi akọ na ontumi e mo that cause hand sanitizer any nose mask no upe bia obekọ Kumasi menhia museum wono a museum kwan so a na obekọ na afi no but na copy and answer over 0240 451245 0240 451245 na fi party so mene de bi afi na Angolas mo ha almost abeto so good evening Sir Mike. I like your show. In fact, for the past 2 weeks I've been watching you and I admire you. Grace and so the Takwa Abba and Grace. Hi, please, when will the NPP learn lesson? Tell the independent candidate to come for 100 cities. That is my support. So, is it if you must NPP come out of China?
Yeah.
That was really the unhappy. Who are that also being?
And I'm not saying
okay, and we jump right then I will be amount for our as well.
But I see the Semas.
But we didn't Mike.
Oh, okay. But I see the Say Mike. But I see the brave or Quenya. I'm a man, same premier, you need Nambia Bofidi so. Now, me free her, calling me on your phone. Sir, Kahaba was those because I don't pay my nanti radio stations. I say, I won't be 2 more and answer and go to a cry. Na yakoso asere radi amode so nkoso amwa ye nkwane hia na come December 70 day si ye pe MP e wasoko a na ye elder divine o se mi ja na nyame de na bedo wasoko man se o mesum asoko man am fasa kwan so na masere ade a mempe o me campaign mu e ye tutura sem ti mesere mo amotiti mi posters ene me banners ni ade nyina no me no otimi poster me nya wo hwe ena me nka wo hwe ba ka hunu se unua bi ena etu sa na mo ye a sabi poster na wo ye ye no esika
ba do kwa ba mo na so wo ye wi no o collection na sa den sa se ba mo
as of now my posters 17,000 o ma ti more than 13,000
cause why
baby o kra ba kokra no na other camp no wore de atare so aha me bi fam o se nya no kra o be wo na me de ne bo na ampa afi na ne o mesre am se ade na ye no enye ntokwa eye win and lose enti no o me nyina enka yakoma nto ye no ne emfa mpa bo ntachi ne bi se erade adom nti bibia be we pay am
I was your elder or say Minta divine divine say Minta candidate as far as to see surprisingly as far independent for na ko e no and I see your NPP parliamentary candidate also Ekobio Madam President the honorable deputy environmental environment minister and then the NDC candidate so Ekobele elder say so amon kai say asquat tetansa omra no machine yi na nema entumi enkodi me so beto asquat so when it comes to the issue of asquat I know much about asquat I promise one part of ha na some of us the asquat no be din komo na ehunu the member of parliament no so wo ye e de aboa say ekoya oka na yete ha ebi hu enkoye so a be hu some of the hosts no on the constituency no bia no had any research duba na oka waka na sana o part wo nya mpintia ama part ba no te ha ebi ade so ama deɛ yɛ nipa de wɔsi bisa na wɔn so yi ano ade ɛma elder di ma sɛ mita ɛna wɔte ne kɛntwɛ ɛhomra yɛ ba di aka yɛde bɛto aso. Right, yes, I'm Makwaba. Emra Sinupi on Kumawood TV, your most authoritative political talk show from Monday to Fridays. Yatanasi, Uncle Wallace, Abebu, Sir Wallace, Ewaha. The most youth policy, effective one, Abuya, the man of the vision, administrator of the NDC, Ashanti region, Ufia, Sanso, and Kumawu, Constituency Communication Officer, Kennedy Kweku entry, Ken, and so Ufia, Iviamre, na yedi Komo Electoral Commission, I won't come over the week, and no any issue that yedi won't come any yadi in the week. 16,963,306 Ghana former register and no. A man of Dawson, SMM mano, over 600,000. Easy, and they say Electoral Commission Office back on a one crime. Ija Atu no information about Sega West EC office no Ija to me at mama Japade Accra what there Nina no to me ash. Now near say also super ba edi kan ehye Hong Kong and Ijano to me Asia e bia easy 20 ama Ijano to me Asia. Now see we know regional office and used for storage of old items and oha Nina no to me Asia. So that's why we didn't come also and NDC almost on jobs and algo Ghana for you pa I tutu John Obani Mahama is a sentence oba e de ama mabunu I will be the money ama wo and on come so so what is about
ya dan
boko there
etimi hume
ready as
etimi hume a no me de Ghana
atare na so no
JDM John Dramani Mahama 2016 the campaign at Ghana
2020 money banya ntare
2020
money to be anibi
see o san kofa ye de koye ko twa body a wo do ho ansan ntimi committee
I musical sana because I said the way Anamu year campaign 2016 I can't remember from July the way Anamu year active campaign I said this time around no near my own head and was
and then you can so say MPP for Susika papa because those times we know when the campaign
me ka wo the NDC
America say o kan amana ko yise na you sika because you are ben no say wo kan amana ko shia sana me kan and the MPP for so wa ba mu omo e ma se wo pa because almost your campaign campaign underground
okay
in a house to house tibi
house to house
okay ye wo ye gusu ye den
okay
baby a former president Mahama bia crowd pool no president Kufuor ba onye bisa
oza
Kufuor ba ha be 2 times 3 times kumasia
yeah
one mu zo ba she said Mahama ba she say I want to crowd beti
okay
yes
as Mahama sent na de baby
aba
okay mama ko kan ababa mo wo ko
Sama Kumawu
me aminia Samuel Adebiku this is anyway member of parliament so here ona wo so bi e koso na mo so say say money ma sesa wo the way I must see a campaign no the way is NPP ni bi iska 50 Ghana dollars more so money so you be akọ pamwa
yes John yeah ho ya wo jamani bi no
no sama do
say Mike no carry say say yeah active politics this time and as a campaign this time ni na ni gina dia abese ni COVID-19 ana yaman pani ye aban na wo so ana ya ban no ayem na ebo COVID-19 no ebra what you say said the ya wokun aboa ajiga na my free sa awo no ebetimi nwi pe nti no say ya ban na wo so na ya ban asemra o say ye ni hwe amamba no ye nwam Ghana fo aka nyina so de aji ya tuma nti so hwe so bi ko be ni pati na ja na da jim se mbra ya hye no and we did so move na nti na wo kwa o ko frefre amount for the cars ko hia no na mo ko bodi de ni but
ateɛ de ne tesa ɔmampani ba ha ɔmfa nipa ma
Okay.
because ɔba na dwumadi a ɔbɛdi ɛna ɔbɛyɛ mmara no sɛ ɛnsɛ sɛ nipa yɛhyia bebree more than 100 people at a time wagye aseɛ gye sɛ ɔmampani ba so wahwɛ no bibia program yɛ bibia na de mmara toto yɛse sɛ yɛmfrɛ wa ɛma hɔ ɛnti wɔn sɛ ɔmampani ba yɛ nkata no sɛ ɔmampani ba sɛ yɛ communication officer no ɔtaa ne yɛhyia ne yɛde ɔbusa yɛ anaasɛ abusa no nea ɛkɔ so a ɛnya ma mmɔntene yɛtumi aka ho asɛm a ba now nam situation aba nti no ɔba ya nneɛma asesa wagye aseɛ nti yɛdi nkɔmmɔ ɛwɔ sɛdeɛ mo ada hɔ ma mofrɛ ne ɛba mo fidie so a na ɛne ɛnam ghanafoɔ nso akasa
yɛnhwɛ electoral commission 16 million 16.9 million ɛna ɔma register nkurɔfoɔ a ɔmo ɛka sɛ bi mu ɔmo yɛ minors bi mu yɛ foreigners ɔmo yɛ afiri multiple registrations ɔmo yi nyinaa na afiri mu ndc ɛsɛ ɔmo kɔle for independent audit ɛwɔ register electoral commission ayɛ no bisɛ electoral commission ho aka wakɔyɛ a ano yɛ kɔ na ndc mu bi mu afiri mu no ɛnyɛ agorɔ and then the office of the electoral commission Greater Accra and West Jatu Amanashi meeting
sɛ mayɛ pɛ da ase menkyia yɛnnuanom ɔma agye pɛ ɛhwɛ ɛnɛ anwummerɛ wɔhwɛ ka ne fia da a wakɔ ne dwuma so abrɛ ne nkɔ sɛ ɔgyina home but ɛnam ɔpɛ a ɔmowɔ meka ɔpɛ because ɛnyɛ nhyɛ mu obiara sɛ ɔgyina fidie bɛto kuma wɔti no wahwɛ ne dwumadi a wodi but wofiri akoma mu ɛde to a na ɛyɛ yɛ ni so ɛne yɛ nso yɛbɛtena ha a ɔmo ani abrɛ ɛtie no ɛne yɛ ni so nti na ɔsɛ sɛ dɔn sɛ Mike wo hyɛ teɛ fɛ paa o ɛdi sɛ nkra yi free friend sɛ tapa de nyinaa ɛbɛn na waka kyɛ no so waware ne rabo wa ma ne ma ne nkyia mepɛ di mpanimfoɔ ɔmo region free me regional chairman ɛkɔsi me youth organizer ɛso mekyia wɔn mekyia me constituency executives free me chairman ɛkɔsi police station executives na mada yɛn nuanom a ɛdi dwumadi ɛhyɛ wɔn nsa ɔmo a ɔmo yɛ polling station executives ɔmo a ɔmo yɛ polling station executives a ɔmo de ɔdɔ ɛne ɔpɛ paa ne tum wakyɛ ɛgyina hɔ ma party no abere a yɛsi hyɛ sɛ ɔbɛyɛ ne registration company registration ne register ne new voters register no ɛyɛ adwuma so nkɔma party no deɛ ɛsa yɛ m'ani so kɛse ne ɔmo a party na mfa dwuma biara nhyɛ ɔmo nsa a ɔmo afiri ɔmo pin ho sɛ no wɔse ɛboa na dwumadi a party de di no nso no yɛn nso deɛ ɔmo de yɛ bi boa ɔmo na ɔmo provide volunteer bucket ne ɔmo ne ɛhyehyɛ amanfoɔ sɛdeɛ bi a ɔmbɛtena ase kama ne social distance na yɛ adwuma nyinaa ɛbɔ ɔba so ɛbɔ yi si ɛno na adwumayɛfoɔ ɔmo nkumu nso nsa ba so because ɔmo di dwuma so ko bankɔ police station biara na ɔmo sentence biara baahu sɛ saa protocols no
maame fa wo ntwɛm sɛ ɔmo hwɛ screen no so no bɛhu sɛ video no ɛna ɛwɔ wɔn wei ɛyɛ electoral commission office a ɛsɛ osi bɛmpa hyɛ ho nkɔm sɛ ɛbɛsi ɛna ɛgya ato mu ebi mu koraa sɛ redeem minutes rest of minutes ne nyinaa Ghana bato ɛkɔto yɛ ayɛ obi nim sɛ bi a deɛ nsi yɛ kasa fire service ebi so ɔmo ehwɛ but osi bɛmpa yɛ nkɔm sɛ ɔhyɛ no wɔse nkurɔfoɔ bi mbabɔnfoɔ bi na mbɔ mutum kɔ sɛ ɔbɛkɔ so dat yɛ mu wura bi si
eti na me da ne nyɔnu kɔ ase ɛda ɔmo ase
da no wɔn do
bɔ ɔmo ba so ɛna adwuma deɛ ɔsɛ ɔwɔ gyina ɔhwɛ nipa bi so ɔtum wɔn asi ɔpa yɛ adwuma no so nkɔ a ɔbɔ na ba so na ahyɛ afoforɔ nso yɛ nkura na ɔmo nso ɔtumi adwuma wɔn yɛ si bi yɛfrɛ no nipa a ɔwusu ankoma ɔwɔ bɔdɔm ase True Faith Hospital ɔno nso di dwuma die so ɔpa yɛ si adwuma yɛ mu baako nso wɔ kumu yɛfrɛ no Jane Adujanfi ɔno nso di dwuma die so nkura ne boa ɛyɛ COVID-19 protocols a ne yɛ di dwuma police station sɛnɛsi Mike ɛdeɛ ka mefa free me kurom kuma sɛ yɛ registration no ɛkɔ so kama ɛbɔ yɛ si aba so na yɛ party for ɛyɛ MPP for deɛ ɛyɛ yɛ ahoɔhoa ɛsɛ yɛako wohwɛ a yɛako firi 2012 ɛna yɛaka register ho ase sɛ deɛ wɔkɔ dada no ɛnyɛ o nti yɛ si ɛma ɔmɔde ne ɛnyɛ foforɔ ɛnɛ na nyame ayɛ adom a yɛnya electoral commission abɛdwako a sɛdeɛ ɔmo wani na ɔmo ti ɔmo system n'ase ɔmo sɛ ampa deɛ na NPP ka no asa 2012 baa 2016 bi samɛ no asɛmpa no ɔmo ka nti emu hia sɛ register no yɛ ne foforɔ yɛbɔ wɔn aba so ɛyɛ ahoho a ɛno de so ɔhwɛ a register nso MPP deɛ mu gye mu paa ɛhwɛ sɛ mpo deɛ ne enuanom ka ntɔkwa bɛsi ɛdeɛ bɛn nyɛma a ɛnsɛ mfata ne bi mu ka sɛ sɛ yi si kura timi compare voter register yɛ a sɛbi yɛ so ɔmo adwapadeɛ yɛmfa deɛ mmɔ so yɛnsɛɛ no no ɛnyinaa ebi nso kura sɛ ɔmo bɛku ɔmo ho ne nneɛma a ɛnsɛ mfata adeɛ hwɛ hu sɛ ɛhwɛ sɛ saa nneɛma nyinaa bɛkɔ so a ɔhaw biara ɛma na ɔhaw a yɛwɔ ɛyɛ COVID-19 yi nso no ɛnya nsusuansoɔ wɔ yɛ registration a yɛyɛ ni nti wohwɛ a MPP yɛ adwuma yi paa yɛyɛ adwuma because ɛnyɛ sɛ bi a yɛmpɛ sɛ NGs fo bɛyɛ deda na biribi sa na mmom yɛaban na ɛwɔ aban mu sisi yɛ ɛne nsɛm a na NGs foɔ ka ɛne abadwakofoɔ bi nso yɛsɛ nyɛ amo a na ɔmo kasa lectures bi ɔmo ka ɔmo bu ɔmo kasa tia registration ɛbɛyɛ sɛ ɛnma so because of COVID-19 ɛne ahoma nti ne ɔhwɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ sɛ ɛhyehyɛ biara a yɛaba COVID-19 ho protocol biara no ɛbɛyɛ adwuma all the centers a yɛsi ɛyɛ registration nti ɛde ɛho gye nipa nti ɛkum every center biara no kɔ center biara no kɔ biara yɛkɔ ne kɔhwɛ deɛ no kɔ so biara no as a communication ɛyɛ kamakama na wohwɛ a nipa a na ɔsɔ mo register kɔmɔ no yɛ target ne yɛ pɛ over 40,000.
Okay, previously na yɛ sɛn
near 34,700.
34,000. That is 2016.
2016.
Okay.
Near 34,000. But my real said is I registered compared to 2012.
2012. Yeah. But when you come to about 2016,
Muwana on what chair
constituency.
Yeah, uncle say no one so free.
Such a family.
Such a family free. And the day by an essay, my good to know. Yeah, register and also I have 34,700. But now no nake per se bit over 40,000. But to me in little about 35,000.
Wow, 35,000.
Yeah, 35,000.
You want to pay 1,000?
Yeah. No situation because you know maybe no I could be a punch so what would white trap open? One said a community and yeah, community first community and I said district here. You know a bamboo quite almost more blue more that but a brand swan you can't move me be a brass to say a twaba yeah registration is another thing I'm started to about common and twaba the conference the one and twaba this is until to find a barberry standing at twaba but another situation of the green anti Myanmar yeah arrangement especially MP arrangement say Kumoni Babiana Opeso Bana Beto Waba Piano Opeso Register Piano the way provide the car my mom work near that on the bite naba but the buy and I say am I just say after registration for transfer so okay and it's again register with her because of COVID-19 now me I believe you in a transfer it's now so already say I come your number in a me no me find a provisional number because nobody will read this. Yeah, registration in your school for almost schools is here almost on form telephone be any register of more concerns. I bet you say time also say better no I read school call. So probability say on pay transfer every kumo akwa bi omokono the same way say dem diga kai no saa nso na yenu so mo baabi a on person be to about kumo no so be dey ebe transfer aba ha eti me to say isi be ye final register no a wo de mama pipe no tie saa number we no me fa ne say ye wo bro saa and I said the blue saa
but then yeah be corona isi can say one reason why they need to register and say the one when they compare the population of Ghana bloated not and only a 16.8 but bloated because the population estimated to be 30 million almost 31 million now we was 16.9 now this year no can say we now who did say what achieve the age
it's 100,000 why achieve yeah register no and I walk on a little about 20 years now yeah the 2012 what I say 2012 no na Ghana population is So share population as at
2012 na population at 25 million.
Yes.
Close to 26 million.
And nothing I used to be kind of say, as compared to our no, your first your number, population number, any number of people are registered. Population is 24 million, 25 million. And when I now move, now you're telling me more than half. What I said, even the 70%. I said
53.9%. No, 54%.
no 60 million.
14 million out of 25. 53.9, 93%. And currently, so now 54.8%.
Yeah. It is all share statistics here. Now, HSS, that time, no, and you pan on everyone say, no, it's meant that you some more registered. Meanwhile, and what I mean, I can't. And all kind against 60 million and then 24 million as a population. What I say. But now, the population I do say. Seka near COVID nearby, in 8 year census rate 2020 year, and capable more than 30 million. What I say. It is all sharp, and then to me, no, make us a credible register, even though a provisional register.
But who say we are credible?
Yes.
You see, because the foreigners will move. Or matter is the foreigners no minus who.
Yes. Anything I see work when you're not going to timetable. Why? Even registration cost no or a committee of mobile clinic register. You be foreigners are free. You be double registration. A registration, or may a registration double no free. Aside a big mine on Friday, a free. What I say. Now, I don't, and now, I be our register behind it. Because of first Ghana card near because Ghana card information and you know actually Jihano say is no operation so who say we are going to register a be and anything I make us a me now me number no come out here say me get to say number near 35,000 I just said easy every fana your friends register now or they be mommy petty
by so far who say as BI successful
BBI is successful.
As a party we okay.
Yes. Okay. Your boy is abaso. Say impo de na man for su se beba no. Won say nipa mo adwuma ye die. Won tini nya 100%. Registration course baby some issues be happen on. But not just say adwuma we no anko ni. What you say? As compared to 2012, almost every polling station every registration center be an meant to pane, young plan, some palala, near Bodu. Now, no, a few 2012, yes. Another to a woman say, yeah, I sent you in a BC. Sometimes, no, now is some palala, a book you do cookery so, and there's an engineer processor. So, over here, engineer processor. I just said, I did Biana, I didn't use the way they are on Bayana, and that's animal. Because it's on. The boy is a muscle, or my master. Now, meaning GDS, no GDS said, credible register no more promises on the man. You will get it after the Fana register.
Right, we so RSCP on Kumawood TV. For the incident, we're screening here. Numbers need to Sarasona, or drop no Facebook and I YouTube every kind to me at the amount. You didn't come on the Electoral Commission new voter register on I 16.9 million. Ghanaians and our register say our person want to back come December 7th, 2020. So what was our view? So us,
Yeah.
Me too. Our assessment easy the happiness and the nay I appreciate. We did the Usman to do someone away.
Yo, Usman
So Usman.
President Kufuor, the spiritual advisor.
Okay, so what can I say?
So the spiritual advisor to the president of Ghana. And here Ghana for you na which woman in the war. Yeah, figures it released. The parliamentary candidate, Lawyer Safudu.
Lawyer Safudu. Lawyer Safudu. Oh, okay.
Lawyer.
Oh,
Lawyer Safudu.
Lawyer Safudu. Oh, okay.
Very potent lawyer. Formerly PRO for Asante Kotoko Sporting Club.
Oh, Safudu.
No.
Oh, I don't be this in your.
No, original Hamaye.
Oh, okay.
Until Bia or Yakotokonino, Moamunipa. Moamunipa, until we get Moyana Margin, Mopia or Jenny.
Oh, what I've been when you Samudu. Ah, what was Samudu? Oh, now I had the come on, my cousin, concerns one into Holy Hope, just at least. So, this is. So, I'm going to be in Casa. Sir, when anybody you know more independent. Etiano part. Yes, say being a better how I was sorry because he's here. Because you're born idea when people in so maybe the owner Captain at the last 4 years, Captain Kunani. You Sribo, no, okay. Sribo, the contest. And maybe every year. Until you're holding a man, your team is ready to see your back, reckoning. And I maybe Saba. And the district director of education, also your boss. And the number, Timari, I say, so my mind, dear. Now you're running meat, a your bar, Jane, who got my idea, the beer who gets on to my own. Oh, okay. The man or more of just a Eastern. Say, on director of education, your bar, this is your bar. Member of Parliament, and NDC, so I now Jane, who got my professor. Oh, your bar. The man also but 12 man, Jane. Because only man a rule district. Oh, okay. I'm a prof. I'm a prof. I'm a Mahama, not prophet Miaba. That it means a lawyer something to go up. We see them because a man about 12 man maybe because you ah. Now there be also one and Benya. O to Mahama now and Thomas Abu Bukwana out to say. Some they pay. What's a man and more constraints want to say? Because of Oba, Professor Dinan, Motama, because of your back. Because of Betoma Mahama, just on Betoma NDC. Motama NDC, because of Jane. Because of your back. And I may say, send your man on one house, one house soon near back. And soon maybe that's what we are about. And now almost on Betoma, almost showing your bedroom to my Akufado. Almost show me a burning and to Makufado. Because they do know that Kufado has not done nothing for the district. I'm throwing a challenge. I did on my own of 3.5 years, 4 years. I'm a community. Maybe so I have my next week. Gaza will have a Wednesday. I see. If you be on my own. Yeah, register. Because we believe, say, yeah, Duma from 2009 to 2017. Your district now can say, when you come as a free one, your road network, you're better than any other constituencies in the country. Very, very, very good. From 2009 to 2017, so if you come as a your constituency is from Abuaso. No, I could tell you, Mass. Coordinating Kakra would do Abonake, no left her. Overcall at the friends Abrakaso. No, I call Krakow. No, I call Domiabra. No be so writer more so Yamantini, Bawachia, Kanani, Aframasuni, Bedumasini, Musimo Biponi, Kofi Krumi, Yamasini, now call Nima, Collector, Koyasini Funfuni. What about me? I've never voted outside. I did that with this from 1969. I mean, and you want to know. Obiara register say 2020 December. The trauma in this because the trauma in this I just say Mahama eko ama lawyer Safuduku. So ako. So enyama ya no ho no mo hwe so register on be beto. South America. Road network no be am bobodi na yegu. One big adipa omani ajipa ye from Abuna through ya bipwa ya mwasi to Kokotieso. Kokotieso the last time. And they book quite a course our last town. That's a 6 school down. And yes, I did Kanya alcohol. So, inti a front KKT, Cocotius were there, Ubiani. Sa quite a free, your mossy, Conoco Street, ya a Comwa, Kugram and Pomo, Kofiasi. And the Kofiasi my secondary school, nay, community school, and a Yaka Abadia. And yet, my notion. So, Ukoye Kumawia. Oh, Kumawu for so register because only say a Juma NDC for Yamakumu mine. A son,
and they are going to vote for us. I didn't try. Yeah, na Kumawu district hospital. Yeah, they are called. You do better, you know, you die by the kum, you doing well. This is what you know, maneuver, Honomo, Etwaso, or never quite. Or me, no one of you said. Essentially, I said that you want a cost you.
We are cost. But last time I Kumba, I think 2 weeks ago. No, I said, I feel Mumuna. On the travel now by the Sabino near away, but I feel I'm going to say,
oh, the last time I checked, they know more a cacra. Entry back and what?
Oh, Ghana Hospital, no, Omu Soya. Because not this city, I am confident.
Sorry, almost clear line. Almost the dog.
Yeah.
Now, and never be also you from my mama and all
okay, if we more come out, some more, you go to my wedding, my woman here.
Press conference last year.
Say, Moja, I did not walk. No one here, if you go to a busy. It is a moon year, dear, and you're not yet my woman in the camera. Bibian Rogers this year, moving to I am more conscious. Kumawa sooner, and you bring on my home can use it. Minister or more Casado. So look no free. Because if Moon I just say district
or this year.
Good. If that yes, maybe a grade school or free. And now, and when you know he did that doesn't tell. They will find I see. And yeah, walk so no contest here. Home primary. And now why you for no about 30 of them. Is here like us walk independent.
Well, independent.
Men can't walk independent. But I can for not say only a crow is on more number or more penal. NIP before I go to Amano, I retain as a parliamentary candidate. Name of the
English.
And one I mean, and one I mean, so my register will be because they are going to vote for the NDC. Send one America, the reason why they register so much. Come on, in so, Tubakudia, those days, in so, more day, yeah, NDC buy any more water tank. Sa Kaidi, our tree so free. Feed me what?
And this time I'm out of time.
Yes.
I consider people put here. Yeah, time. Here is a rocket. See,
car, water tank. Car, the pin, a conference to a supply in America.
One of the mine.
If you any go,
Oh,
I saw no matter what put here.
Kumu Adi, water I didn't know, car didn't know, a painted yellow.
As I can bring them before time, I don't mind to back with you.
Well, maybe you said I was school. I own ticket. Now, you are reservoir, car can see it back on supply. One is our reservoir. Now,
not car, a supply district.
One
But where the school?
No. Car, a walk home. Tanka yellow. First near where I bring one in
Tanka yellow.
And I present for 4 miles. Tanka no.
I can make a tanka yellow, no a school in the house.
What's my
president before the moment? Oh, Muhammad at the moment.
When I catch you.
Mayor started in a tanka no by
Yano credit.
A what you call original
And Yano credit.
Original
mobile tanker beyond my Chubaku secondary school. Correct number. Mobile either way. Mobile near started 0908 2012 21. Cannot
verify.
What's the car?
Car number.
Number is in Combo.
Oh, I'm number. One register so much because they want to thank us for what they've done for them. Come out before time. So, big project. I felt the KKK. Kumawu, your friend said Konongo, and then Kwa Ridge. In so a tap free, a flower river level, Kumawu area. They are supplier, they are Konongo. They are supplier, they are Fanko mountains, you know. The friend KKK. Kumawu, Konongo, Kwa Ridge Water Supply Project. Yen ya we. Onunti, Kumawu for the area of Fudina register, say. Omo betwama NDC no more dia da commando for any President Mahama and President Nelson the same idea o ma register bebre drop so before us now free kumawu e ko drop so a atete wo ye drop so a bepo bia na wo ho no nso to a wontimi nko ye ni egu eso e free kumawu akwa ko drop so kunu mu se twan ai nei say ntwinum ka so ko drop so a anado 10 o'clock 12 o'clock o benya taxi e ja ko drop so because of NDC nti Kumawufo nyina register in their numbers. They are going to vote for us. Again, and very importantly, quite every Kumawu and then Musa we Akabogo. In Tuko Kumawa, Ebiani Ebu, Agogo, Ebiani Ebu, almost all of us planting for food and jobs. Planting for food and jobs is a body and gown. And some of the bomb Samrani. Aduane wo area ho ba first na e ma se de ba se se because na kwa ne ye but you say that e kwa na ko sia gogo eni ye difra gogo a ko nkoko nti omo badua from nkoko e ba gogo e ba Kumawu e ko Nsuta e ko Adura because of NDC nti omo register in their numbers very big and huge say omo e beda NDC for asset for what they have done. Registration in Tokwa, was it the best ever registration I had? For the record, let me put this straight. CI now, my medical call Parliament. CI 120 something, whatever.
CI 91.
You call him. Go and read it. Transfers are allowed only for security service personnel and those who be on duty on that day. Go and check it.
Yes, that's what.
No transfers allowed for students.
No. Yes, for
No
students. But
transfer.
I think now,
You have to go to Parliament. You have to
yes.
go to Parliament
Yes.
to change it.
Yes, I think
For
I
Parliament,
heard
you
Dr.
can't.
I heard Dr. Sebo talking about that one.
Good.
And I even wanted to draw his attention to not only students, but even to teachers.
Exactly.
Because some of the teachers think, now ABR or in Tampo, but school resume here, ABR will Kumasi or register.
Until that instrument is changed to incorporate transfer of students, what you are saying doesn't hold.
120.
Again, very importantly, sir, register na e wo hoda da san ye be yewu no san we e bebe we nyamba yo ya update na up to 2019 no enye 2012 dabi 2012 ye na update at the disciplinary lessons in 2015 January so and the update no limited registration 2016 ye topo 2012 ye limited registration 2018 almost creating new regions no 6 new regions no ye limited registration add up to the existing number 2019 yeah better district level elections no these assemblies no yeah limited registration enti figure dey nya no it is as at 2019 in 2012
no figure dey
16.8
no 2019 16.8 2019
and also because you talk about 2012
now on the 14 million then the country
let's say 14 million in Eduma view
okay because almost every week
exactly the topic
yeah
it is 16 18 and bibisa
16.8 and
16.8 2019
me can they me kind not on just here na question
no have looked at no or have looked at
you can you see
and
I can say register me vote
yeah
per 26 years starting 20
population census no you should estimated population
me say na me say
by the time I compare 2012
he always talks about register now as at 2012.
I also
saying say 2012 we update 2019
yeah
I'm on 16.8
yeah
and almost say 16.8 near blue tech yes sir
yeah
we are for 16.9 the 100,000 never toss no and I'm on a dinner say project you have gone now from 16.8 no can be coffee
but I was say I so and be 19 million
what is the basis for saying that
because
he said na mind of you
yes
obi o registered in 2012 2014 and we be 15 because he mind or not 3 years after no only 18 until we year registration on qualifiers over register until you couldn't have left them out no until one more again the electoral commissioner consider minors any foreigners into he doesn't have the legal right to prove that somebody is a foreigner. You have to go to court So be you obedient free more. This all court. Now people why you are saying what you are saying.
Okay.
And yes, and
will you encourage electoral commission to do so?
So in so feel said there is something wrong and he must put it right. He must go through the legal and the procedure. My minister a lawyer and now what now say nipa do say foreigners enti be yi wo mudin free mu a emra wo nim say wo need to me say wo yi wo mudin free mu say obi kura be register no a foreigner at the registration center you don't have the right to prevent the person from registering. You challenge. Then you go to court to prove why you are saying that person shouldn't be. Oh, enti electoral commissioner ye na wo jina so aka so be a foreigner enti wo yi ni dey free. Let me put it straight. President Akufo-Addo, president of Ghana, currently. So, Odika in 1967. Mama don't know we need a friend of Virginia Hesse, 1967. So I'm no so 1967 only Akufo-Addo age major 70 something. Akufo-Addo when you be why no Ghana's ambassador to Czechoslovakia at one. I know that. Nepal the friend of Valery Akufo-Addo. Osa 1978. Or Untafo. The point I'm making. Untafo only Nigerian being a woman. Inti woman so mommy a Nigerian. Papa a Ghanaian. Me a foreigner.
But I said one so said and yes say ya will be na so be mommy and papa. Ain't gonna need to me again. There are so many ways of it.
Exactly. That is the very point that I'm making. In this woman say, Obi wo aflawo. Na oye Togonia. It may well be so only a Ghanaian. And why Obi wo Togo. Akora oba won he's a Ghanaian.
Okay.
So, enti diebe na mama ni gina so a okaka so me foreigners. And I'm saying say Nana do Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Ono ani ma o me yantafo. Remy. Anyway, mama in Nigeria. Nti so say so be e mama and I said papa e Ghanaian and for that reason we are foreign nti ube yi free mu. The first two people they say you free money Nana Akufo-Addo.
But the OSI is no money saying.
Oh, the unfortunate thing is that it has never happened in the history of Ghana. Say yeah registration for elections. Not a soldier for, near police for, immigration for war registration centers. It has never ever happened in the 1992 Constitution of Ghana. It happened under JB Dankwa in 1954, you know, and Yama Kokus, Nana Akufo-Addo, Nina Nano, JB Dankwa. In 1951,
1954, Center. Dr. Muhammad Isa Rabiu, and if you are the Dr. Transi na Oyashareba na Authority Eka, no say Yanfanti, and we be our Ghanaian, say a name Uguso na Kumewood TV, Sinupi. We is about center, say I need beer, I have beer, no, Buzia, bra, na Yambedan so. Sa etumi e the amount we say ibiana awo ehun ayede hepatitis diabetes stroke typhoid ana say eniyare e na ha wa ba betumi ahwe yare bi ebo di bia doctor de oye ne say odi hama e na sa yare no na bro bia na ha bia so no o yare a esa ye hu hu re no na ni na no o ba betumi abo na kwate ne te e the amount fo akọ e bi dia dance ntu so bra na nyame fa ne so e na yare sa no betumi e na no we do not say we need sikatua nemu ko na okoduru ukrum ho na so okura ho na kwakomurem aban wo tiwetiwi na odi kabo mu a oyare sa no obenya ho adanse sa nso e na twere e na ha obusheni be fa na bra na otimi enhwe no emfa ema Dr. Muhammad Isa Rabiu e wo otium amoma so do me abra otium amoma so do me abra ho e no 0249616937 0249616937 God's Way Caskets Ibiana wenya eye na o dwene kwampa be fa so betimi akwade se krakra enko ha bia ema enka na ye yi a na abusia pani ko bank no ha kwade bank no na no eri to sato ho ebewi agi na bank fo gina so na nya ago etwe ha ne na abusia pani ko sikani ba akọ besia na egu na mu ase na yi na atwa fi se God's Way Casket master ato na pamfo aba from that can we all kinds opese oye die obi a ebia oye nyumtuni die ogbonyo microphone kuta no obi try am that can different ones pa na oye bonus for from pa saa nso na ambulance obi si hɔ wɔwɔ flowers du ɛde to na yi ne na so yi obi wɔ hɔ wopɛ sɛ bi antoma bi ade bɛfira ɛyi na so bitumi ama obi saa nso na video coverage ɔbɛyɛ nyinaa ɛde ama wo na wasan aboa wo ama wo sika ade bɛyɛ yie no wowie yie no nyinaa no a na wadaroma wo ne abusuafoɔ no akɔ ɔpɛni yɛka nyinaa no na ɛyɛ sɛn 4,000 15,000 na ɔde sika no akɔma wei ɛne deɛ ɔyɛ ɛde aboa nti wɔn a wadaka atɔ no na wɔsan bɛ sika deɛ ɛyɛ yie ɛwɔ bra nkɔde wɔ baabiara Gospel casket ɛwɔ Kumasi Labour Roundabout hɔ ɛna obɛhu no Fantino Town ɛkwan no a wode kɔ Brenda Assembly hɔ no wɔsɛ nifa so hɔ a woduru Labour wode also wokɔ Gospel casket anaa wobɛfrɛ 0243 737 457 0243 737 457 wofrɛ no a ɔbɛgye wo so mɛsi kakra mode aba ɔsɛ hi sir Mike, I like your show and Elder all the way. I think it's Elder called Masaudu Bantama. Also, the NDC propagandists leadership have clearly demonstrated by their words and actions that they are anti-Ghana and only care about how they will return to political power by all means. The youth will never allow themselves to be deceived by NDC. Nana Tuaso, no the other Abba, and no. OPK Goso, Sami Ewuku spoke very well in NPP press conference, setting the record straight because super incompetent John Dramani Mahama and NDC collapsed all the sectors of the economy in 8 years. Regards to Techiman MP and Sahene for Goso, okay. DJ Omale and Wayosi Goso, Ghanaians are sick and tired of opposition NDC unnecessary press conferences every day. Regards to Honorable Martin J. Kosa, parliamentary candidate for Techiman South constituency. Hi, Sir Mike. I'm enjoying your show. Keep the good work. Please tell the NDC to keep on with their good message because we will come and support them to win power. We columns Adam Eddie Free Libya and our day Abba also found the Ebra in Yamre and Kinkai and Fa Emma. So what other view? Yeah. You say more indecisive. John Dramani Mahama campaign man indecisive government, indecisive president, indecisive leader. They say you can talk about the man or best answer of mine. Most say no and then before my baby. You buy Ghana for talking about. Me too.
Say mine. And before you do the I wonder say Omo Kasa, Omunim Dia no more. Free senior high school. So or say incompetent. You don't know what we are doing. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Free senior high school. Say they be a the bomb most money. So I'm gonna divide. What? Is it Monday, Tuesday? Education Minister Echo Parliament.
Yeah.
Echo Kasa Chair Parliament. Look at what he said somewhere here.
Okay.
Or say, Mr. Speaker, it is also instructive to know that under the progressively free SHS policy touted by the NDC when it was in government, they left arrears of 30,120,552 Ghana cedis. In respect of the 2015-2016 academic year, when the program started with day students only. 2015-2016 academic year, when the program started with day students only. When Parliament, what can we know? What can say? When I'm the free senior high school by and what can say? Yeah, started. What are you saying? 2015-2016, the same minister, okay, government moves main campus of Eastern University to Chebi, paragraph 7. Almost the same minister, 2015-2016, we started with over 300,000 students. He says it there. He also was say nothing at all was paid by the NDC in respect of the 120,000 boarding students catered for under the high-sounding progressively free program in the 2016-2017 academic year. It was it 2015-2016 no there day students, but 2016-2017 no borders also free. So under the high-sounding progressively free program in the 2016-2017 academic year. 2015-2016 no, said the American on one account is our 300,000. 2016-2017 was 120,000 borders. What the count was 420,000.
Okay.
At that time, now the free money. Now averagely, first year for 300,000, second year 300, third year 300, 900. What the 300,000 no count 120 no, we have 420. So we were sponsoring 420,000 students free. See or free.
Oh, now Palano school and Muntia, but no one is Capalia. President Kufuor Airco Adino. National Health Insurance, I know the show, no 1 year in arrears. And so many 12 months of money. On what you know, they all come and I'm saying they don't listen to themselves when they're speaking. It's a thing to say. Oh, or say her. In addition, we met a huge assemblage bills under the leadership of Professor Nana G. Opugwajiman, as Minister of Education on key supplies for education service delivery. There was an outstanding bill of approximately 9 million on capitation grants, 4 million on school feeding grant for special schools. Okay.
Special schools in schools in Sama or Mamadi them. You feed you or Mokwa. And I'll probably be see a piaka, a buy 14 million Ghana cedis on exercise books to basic schools. At the time I made pension 2009-2010. Now I'm the head of administration and finance. Exercise books no, there will be 14.
Okay.
Mako 14 primary schools, any DHS 14. Or no, say a mocha a year 14 million. But he admits by saying this there, we supply them exercise books 14 each. I
don't know, I was a man more a single way.
Sir, and I'm saying they don't listen to themselves when they are talking. Excuse me to say. I have also say, and 4 million Ghana cedis on the supply of school uniforms.
Okay. And I'm myself. Now, not to the national opportunity.
Or no, it's no Wasam or more Atari. I say, we're not pay aching. So, in this all cassette, we don't know what we are talking about. And at the same time, you are telling the world what we were doing for Ghana. I don't get it.
Okay.
Me, we know. Ubi is so soon anyway. Ubia was so soon in what I say. You look at what you have got first before you think about others. Selfishness will never move. Asante Region Ha. NDC from 2009 to 2017. Community day secondary schools. Apakoso.
First one,
Oyoko. Esuoso. Agregezima. Adobe Ura. Adujama. Hospitals. Kumawu District Hospital. MP. No and Krum. Kumawu District Hospital. Konongo District Hospital. Tepa District Hospital. Bepai. Nina akawurem yesi mo amosi we are not purposeful na now the danko Akufo-Addo by say 2017 to the present 3.5 years ni on my half ya one
no dey wire
awa na santimemu ha ya was starting abawie on my bi yenye bi kura no bi wewie yenye bi kura no kagetia terminal okwa tafo market Aswasi market and Atonsu.
I think I'll be provided with some documents. One day you discuss.
One day with a mom right here come was
me too.
Yeah, good. Samai.
Me
person papa you say Kumawu hospital. And then Papa hospital. No man. Yay, and you could pay scatter to the busy hospital. And now Fufi and joint town by it is Escan and I'm on the hospital. So one claims on my area and your MPP in the Copesa. Then you come home hospital. Mamma hospital. I'm sorry, with now hospital and I can't be in the base. Miss Mamma Corretino. Mamma Corretino say hospital, but on Casano. Never correct. Do not correct. Ah, because I told what I tank. Why Mamma correct? Ah, me now and do no to the other. Me say. Kumawu Agogo Road ɛnyɛ this na ɛyɛ MPP na that time na honorable Philip Aswa ɔne na ADC kuma na ma bi wɔ besoro saa papa na nam so a wɔne MP ka bɔ mu a ɔmutimi nya saa kwa na ɛyɛ ti kwa na egusu yɛ ɛna MPP free abaya ɛnyɛ na mo yɛ
na gusu
ya kwa ya modern ma contract na yɛ bodom ase tuntantare ɛkwa ɛno kwa no ma nyɛ ɛna MPP ba yɛ yɛ bɛyɛ kwa Emma.
Come out drop on so.
Okay, a phone line.
Come out drop on so.
No, 0200 603 602 0200 602. Oh, ba, you lower the volume of the TV. My TV volume and conform. Netio home. Ever phone. Am I? That's
it. The American, no, independent. Mesa can you say, you can't say, end this for a indecency. It's true. Share. Ekwanya omofaso no mu discredit free SHS enunti na Mahama former president ekofa ba say obey progressive free SHS enunti katutu dia omkofa beto wa
my question now Samra. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, so much.
Yes, you really have free.
Only a bemo jam.
Over here.
Boko minia.
Good.
So much, Mamma Minia, MPP not on Uncle Wallace, Mamma Janka, because my Uncle Wallace, yeah. That's a Yamaya, I have 4,848. Let's say MPP again, you must so papa say, you see me up to almost so, Munuma papa. Now Uncle Wallace, Kabibi. So, Opa, friends, yeah, what I said is here. At the NBC time, MAG, and Google Asante Kula say, Woman before the price. See, I saw MAG a year to my overshare a more full boom. That time, not your year BB to second, I'm saying. Now, more for farm, no more Yomokoye, and no man penny, a good for by or very committee money. I'm a Bruno, Yak, Yoma quantity or more year to my. Meaning, I say achievements, which in million year making, and I say, we share a beer at the dance of Kufabaya. Possible here.
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
David.
Good evening, I'm free. All right, thank you.
Let's have a bad program.
Who was so Kasa? Hello. Who was so?
Good evening.
Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. Good evening, free.
I'm doing another from the cafe at Fatima.
What do you do?
You may be American, sir. Uncle Wallace, the 13 if I have been one day or an address. You could be a propaganda and the other. So you can't say you can't. You man and not go for why you move in. Yet the Muhammad yet to put in few of to my Indian Biada. The gun of 40 a can of Kurapanetenka, and yet changing a party in a part. Why you can we say, and do not have a panic, and I'm not going to move the yet to put you the beer in the threat. Ghana for you may now a mount young part of the Boko India, Medaba, now Bana Yaquapina, you may know you to one another. No, and I weigh no more Ghana, Napapan, Ghana, and who don't stand up to us. On why not Ghana, coming, no free walk around, and my yafu.
Okay, then I see. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
How you know?
Good evening, I'm free.
But you're better for you, Western region. What I tell you.
For you.
But you're better for program.
Oh, so that.
But fine evening. Hello.
Okay. Hello, good evening.
Hello. Good evening, yeah. I will chop Savak. Now, remember Mr. Wallace, Paso Papa, no, you may read no producers, no budgeman. When you come, we need to serve the piano. The community share no to your Brahma. I will welcome the 4 bank, a good night as MPP, as you might have named no pa. Kakako Peme can say, Osha, Niama, Elcosu, Kuma, Origin, Mama, Yamishano. So, Ba, Obitia, Sambema, for Kadimima Pa, and then Kufado Amana came Mumina, the Sekunawu Hospital, Tepa Hospital, Bekwa Hospital, schools are there. I came with Boko Sampan in Patemua, school Bibua, Mamma Tia, I came with Oba Trasuna, Sikasa, Akaban, Mutiaka, Yamisha, but that's it.
Okay, yes, so that's that proper. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
But I'm Catherine.
I just went to your name.
Okay.
It's you.
The Catherine Joso.
I need you.
We are now all NBC now, all cafe. Kumu Agu NBC for the year. And then hello.
Kasa.
Adam TV.
Okay. My men wish a very special happy birthday to the young madam for Papa Bako, Jennifer Atiamba, Jennifer, a Wulai Atibrukusu, or my of Lower Atsim traditional area, the back bar, and then Jennifer birthday Jane. Happy birthday to you. Nyame Israel. Na on soa enye okese. Yes sorry.
I'm sorry, second party.
Eti
Semi dynamic can say. You can say this for indecisive by any. Bra 208. Nana do not quite for the cassette or BS free SHS. And this for running several attempts to discredit free SHS. A brown buy and 2 million one and son said a bay yard on my a month for who said free SHS no can't say anything and was a free progressive free education. And only a critique of far by anti parliament and I'm one. You were education is that for no, my gun of woman. Mammy and also by running me obey a minister and a cow bogu.
Maybe entry a Kumaru constituency NPP communication officer and a member of the Ashanti Regional Communication Team for the NPP. Kennedy Kweku entry and I would say because also and now Sir Wallace Abebu and Wallace administrator at my NDC Ashanti Region. On behalf of my crew, producer Bernard Ade, PM Ochinozo the one, Frank Kobe, cameraman, VTR MCR, Augustina Loretta, and Alfie director, Samuel Kwabna Dakon, a chamo, Edamuna Moise. Beren Ubi Tonkra, Mrs. Admakon, and Nebuchadnezzar. A very good evening. Yakram Yami at my next week. Over to you.